Welcome, and for those who have rejoined, welcome back to our channel. So WGU actually sends out welcome gifts if you go through their owl nest, and it's different challenges. And so what I recommend is you actually go through the process of doing all the welcome challenges first. And there are different ways to go through that. And if you are interested, I can definitely show a video or at least link like which ones in the comments. I can actually link which actual challenges are the welcome challenges. And then so that way you can just get them through if you are a newbie, or I think they call them newbies or a new owl. So what I wanted to do is show you what I actually purchased, or not purchased, but I actually redeemed, because you get all these points for doing these different challenges. And so I think I got up to like 2,500 points or something like that. Again, this is all before orientation. I don't start orientation until like 3 days from now. So once I got to the point where I was clear to start, which have been literally probably a month, it's been over a month that I've been clear to start, I received like this link to say, hey, you could go ahead and get on Owl's Nest and begin these challenges. And I'm like, what is Owl's Nest? Went on to Reddit and found out, oh, I could go and start doing these different challenges. And so that's kind of how it happened. And it's just like posting on like a Reddit or a Facebook, but it's within WGU, and you post pictures of yourself and all these different things. It's just responding to different posts pretty much. There are challenges like you could do a Outlook LinkedIn Learning. So you create like a WGU LinkedIn Learning account. It's actually a SSO, single sign-on with WGU. So long story short, you get these things and you can select your first welcome kit. And I'm gonna show you what I selected. So let's open it together. Hello. Well, we're going to have an intermission at the beginning of this video, and it's just to cover our legal ramifications, and that is going to be a disclaimer that will appear on the screen, and I'm just going to read the disclaimer. The views and opinions expressed in this video are my own, which are not directed at a specific entity or party, and do not reflect the views or opinions of any affiliates, corporations, employers, institutions, or organizations. Now that we have that out the way, let's get into the video. So I selected the warm blanket, which everybody said is really soft, and right now it seems like it is. I'll definitely take it out. You have this night owl. Is that what it's called? No, I think it's called Owl Nest. I'm almost certain it is. So it says, congratulations on becoming an Owl Nest. And you can add different things, like I guess maybe when you go through orientation, maybe, I don't know, it's different things you can write down. And then you could select, this packet came with a whiteboard, because if you know anything about WGU, you have to take proctor exams, and during the proctor exam, you can have an actual whiteboard. And they do have a camera. I think they used to have on Owl's Nest an actual camera that they suggest, or at least like you could, I guess, purchase on there on Owl's Nest, but they no longer have that. So, oh, it is soft. See, it's very soft. Oh my goodness. You don't love me! Blankets. So, yeah, I like it. And it's thin, but yet you could tell it's probably going to be really warm. So I would definitely go put this in the washer. But I like this. I still have like 1,800 points. So I can get a tumbler. That's the next gift. Or I can cash in like a couple of gift cards and go to the actual Night Owl store and get a couple of other things, like a backpack or a hoodie, WGU hoodie, which I heard that is like this kind of fabric, like really a warm hoodie, fleece hoodie.
I was surprised with this welcome gift as well. Very nice.
Doing that Night Owl thing, I know somebody said they completed it in, I guess, 3 or 4 days, because they just did every challenge there is. And so something to do, especially if you're waiting, if you have like everything done, clear to start, and you have, like I did, almost 60 days before it's time for me to start. And I had a good, 45 or so days before my orientation. So thanks so much. Until next time, stay blessed, stay safe. I'll see you on the next one. This is WGU store, and this is everything I redeemed with my Owl Nest points, as well as I purchased a couple of items.